we're gonna be doing blind rank
10,
cities.
10.
That is
10,
no,
10,
no, it's
10,
not a 10. That's like no, Isaac. What are you tripping on? Prague? You think Prague is better than that?
London sucks.
7. I don't know what
Paris?
Prague is.
9. You have to live in France.
Rome? Oh, that's pretty cool. They're like what? Mexico? That's Portugal, you guys.
Barcelona 3. I mean, dude,
Los Angeles?
that sucks. No, 5.
5.
Amsterdam 1.
Tokyo is 3. This is so trash, bro.
Dude,
What is,
Ooh, we're rich guys. Ooh, checking out our money.
ooh.
Get out. Ooh, I'm a dog.
Oh.
I'm a pirate. Get out of here. I'm a pirate. Ooh. I'm a pirate. Ow.
Wait, oh.
Arr. It's so hot.
Wait, oh. I was thinking that. Or that I hate coffee. This way. No, what? No. Yeah, over here. No, what? No. Oh,
No,
wait.
Let me do it.
Oh.
This one.
I hate coffee, so if this. That sounds better than that.
Espresso.
That sounds better than that.
Mocha.
Oh, isn't that.
It's hot chocolate.
Oh, yeah. Hot chocolate. No.
No hot chocolate.
No.
I hate the Americans.
Affogato? But
Affogato doesn't have any water. Let me do this for you.
Bro, stop. Wait, it's repeating. What I'm letting go of? I'm letting go of guilt trips.
Oh.
My inner critic.
Oh.
Past mistakes.
Do this. Okay. I'm letting go of the need to be liked. Yeah, Max. My inner critic. I hate you all.
Get out! Old grudges. Animal rank. Rat, that's probably like, ooh, there's 12 this time?
11.
11, yeah.
Ox?
1. They make good meat, though. They make good meat.
Yeah, 1.
No, what? 3, rabbit, 12.
No,
That's what you get. Dragon. 2, snake, they're pretty chill. No, not 4.
Jose. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, so now we're talking about
Hurry up
women's
with it,
kind.
guys.
Okay. Wait.
The pig. That was our